7th standard science 3rd term unit 1 lightல உள்ள book back answer பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct option. Light travels only in a straight line. It is because of this property that shadows are formed. Second question, light that hits a mirror gets reflected. Mirror surface reflects the light well. Light is the form of energy. You can see your image in polished floors but not in wooden table. Regular reflection take place in polished floor and irregular reflection in wooden table. Choose the translucent substance from the following clouds. Reflection occurs when the light approaches a surface. The image formed by a pinhole camera is inverted because light travels in straight line. Which of the following fact explain how shadow are formed? Answer வந்து option both A and B. Fill in the blanks. A plane mirror produce a virtual and erect VIRTUAL virtual and erect ERECT image. A regular REGULAR reflection help us to see the object. The light ray gets reflected 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 when it falls on any polished surface. Sunlight is a blend of 7 colors. The splitting of white light into 7 colors is called dispersion. DISPERSION. The moon reflects sunlight REFLECTS. The sunlight can be split into constituent color using prism prism. Reflection of light from rough surface is called diffuse diffuse reflection. Third subdivision, true or false? If false, give the correct explanation. Rainbow is formed by a dispersion of light by water drops. True. The image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted, hence the image seen through the periscope is also laterally inverted. False. Correct statement, the image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted, hence the image seen through the periscope is virtual. We see the planets because they reflect light from the sun. True. We see a book because it reflects the light that falls on the surface. True. The image formed in a pinhole camera is always inverted. True. Sixth one, the image formed in a pinhole camera is always the same size of the object. False. The image formed in a plane mirror upside down. False. Correct statement, the image formed in a plane mirror is erect ERECT erect. Eighth, a plane mirror is opaque. True. Ninth one, a shadow is formed on the same side of object as the source of light. False. Ninth one, correct statement, a shadow is formed on the opposite side of the object as the source of light. Tenth one, we are able to see things around this with the help of regular reflection. True. After passing through the prism, white light splits into band of 7 colors. Rectilinear, pinhole camera, plane mirror, periscope, firefly, luminous object, the moon, no luminous object, wide light source, penumbra, regular reflection, glossy surface, the sun, primary source of light, band of 7 colors, periscope. With the help of diagram state the law of reflection. Answer வந்து page number 7. Page number 7ல first காலத்தில் law of reflection 2 பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது, அதை எடுத்து குறிச்சிக்கிடுங்க. Figure shown a pencil placed above a mirror. Draw its image formed by the mirror. D வந்து show how light rays from the object are reflected at the mirror to form the image of. A answer. B answer. At the third question, distance between the person and the mirror 3.5 meter, distance between the person and tree object 0.5 meter, the distance formed in the mirror 4 meter, the distance between the image of the trees and its eyes 4 plus 3.5 is equal to 7.5 meter. Things needed to see object, source of light, object, eyes. Fourth question, what are luminous object? Or answer வந்து page number 2 la first column last para, object which are able to emit the light are known as luminous object. At the fifth question, is the moon a luminous object? No, the moon is non-luminous object. The reason is that moon does not produce its own light. Instead, it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. Sixth question, what are the three type of materials based on the absorption of light? Answer வந்து page number 10 la இருக்கு. Answer வந்து transparent material, translucent material, opaque material. The seventh question, what are the parts of shadow? Answer வந்து page number 10. Umbra, penumbra. The eighth question, what are the properties of shadow? Answer வந்து page number 10, 11. Page number 10 la properties of shadow la first 4 point இருக்குது. Page number 10 la 2 point, page number 11 la 2 point 4 point இருக்குது. Big question na 4 point குறிச்சிடுங்க, small question na 2 point எழுதிக்கிடு. At the ninth question, what is plane mirror? Answer வந்து plane mirror. Answer வந்து page number 13 la first para, a plane mirror ஆரம்பிச்சு front on fit வரையும் 9th question answer. அடுத்து 10th question, what is prism? Answer வந்து page number 16 ல இருக்கு. Number 16 ல second column last para, what is prism இருக்கு. prism ல ஆரம்பிச்சு angle வரையும். அடுத்து 11th question, what do you mean by visible light? Answer வந்து page number 16 ல first column மூணாவது லைன்ல visible light ல ஆரம்பிச்சு wavelength வரையும். அடுத்து the band of visible light with GR வரையும். 11th question கான அடுத்தது 12th கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர். 12th கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர், சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் லைட் வந்து ஸ்டார்ஸ், எலக்ட்ரிக் லைட் பல்ப், கேண்டில், ஆப்ஜெக்ட் தட் ரெஃப்ளெக்டட் லைட், பிரிக் வால், பிளானட், மிரர், பிளான்ட், மிரர், பிளானட்ஸ். அடுத்தது 14th கொஸ்டின் ஏக்கு வந்து என்ன ஆன்சர்னா, த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் த பாய் அண்ட் இஸ் இமேஜ் இஸ் 4 மீட்டர். The height B வந்து the height of the image 1 meter 45 centimeter. C வந்து when the boy moves 1 meter forwards, the distance between him and his image is 1 meter. The 14th question, draw a diagram of a pinhole camera showing the rays of light passing between the object and its image. The 15th question கான ஆன்சர் வந்து பேஜ் நம்பர் 16 ல இருக்கு. பேஜ் நம்பர் 16 ல அந்த பாக்ஸ்ல இருக்கு பாருங்க. this is due to அதில் ஆரம்பிச்சு அந்த வியூ லாஸ்ட் அந்த பேரா முடிகிற வரையும் வியூ மிரர் வரையும் 15th கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர். அடுத்து 16th கொஸ்டின், explain with example why some capital letters look the same in a mirror but others are reversed. Any letters that has a bilateral symmetry will have the mirror image in the same as that of the object. Example A, H. 17th கொஸ்டினுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேஷ்ட் ஆன்சர் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபில்லப்க்கு ஆன்சர் BCCD, செகண்ட் ஃபில்லப்க்கு ABBC, தேர்டுக்கு வந்து ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்சைட் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 90 டிகிரி மைனஸ் 39 டிகிரி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 51 டிகிரி, ஃபோர்த் ஒன் ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்சிடென்ஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு angle of reflection, therefore angle of reflection is equal to 51 degree. அடுத்தது 18th கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர். அடுத்து 19th கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர், வாட் இஸ் reflection of light? The bouncing back of light from a reflecting surface of an object is called as reflection of light. At the 20 question, if a ray of light is falling on a plane mirror at the angle of 50 degrees formed, what will be the angle of reflection? Angle of incidence I is equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree is equal to 40 degree. Angle of reflection R is equal to I is equal to 40 degree. At the 21 question, what do you mean by lateral inversion? Answer வந்து page number 16 ல இருக்கு. Page number 16 ல அந்த கீழ அந்த பாக்ஸ்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் காலத்துல lateral inversion ல ஆரம்பிச்சு reflecting medium mirror அது வரையும் 21 கொஸ்டினுக்கான ஆன்சர். அடுத்தது 22 கொஸ்டின், how do you obtain a spectrum of light? When white light is made of fall on the surface of a prism, it disperses and we obtain a spectrum of light. 23 question, why do we see white color in Newton disk when we rotate it very fast? When the disk turned quickly, the retina receives the sensation of the spectrum simultaneously and disk appears white. 24 question, what is shadow? What things are necessary for the formation of shadow? A shadow is a dark area where light from a light source is blocked by an opaque object. Things necessary for the formation of shadow: source of light, opaque object. At the sixth subdivision, answer the following question in details. What are regular and irregular reflection? Explain with the help of diagram. Regular reflection: when a parallel beam of light on striking some smooth and polished surface is reflected as the parallel beam of light. Such a reflection is called regular reflection. Irregular reflection: when a parallel beam of light on strikes some rough surface is reflected in different direction, then such a reflection is called irregular diffused reflection. What are the difference between luminous and non-luminous object? Give two examples of all objects which emit light energy by themselves are called luminous object. Example: sun, stars, torchlight, burning candle, etc. All objects which do not emit light energy of their own but reflect the light energy falling on them and hence become visible are called non-luminous objects. Example: metals, trees, houses, stone, moon, etc. Third question, write about two everyday situations that tell you that light travels in a straight line. Formation of shadow. Shadow are formed when some light rays continue its travel in straight line while other rays are stopped by an object. When there is a small hole in a room, light travels only in a straight line. At the fourth question, differentiate between a reflection and a shadow. Reflection are caused by light bouncing off object. Shadow are formed when light is obstructed by certain material. Reflection: the image is formed by the reflected rays. Shadow are formed by the opaque object. Reflection: we can see the image as same as the size of object by reflection. Shadow only shows the outline of object placed in front of light source. At the fifth question, what are the characteristics of image formed in a plane mirror? What are image formed in a plane mirror is upright. Image formed in a plane mirror is virtual. Image is same size as the object. The distance of the object from the plane mirror is equal to the distance of the object from the mirror. Image is laterally inverted. Sixth one, describe the picture. When the tube is bent, we cannot see the source of light. When the tube is held straight, we can see the flame. The two pictures verify that light travels in straight line. This is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Seventh question, define the following terms. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பேஜ் நம்பர் 6, பேஜ் நம்பர் 7ல் இருக்குது. இன்சிடென்ட் ரே, ரெஃப்ளெக்டட் ரே, நார்மல், இதெல்லாம் பேஜ் நம்பர் 6ல் இருக்குது. ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் இன்சிடென்ஸ் பேஜ் நம்பர் 7ல் இருக்குது. அட் த 8th கொஸ்டின், கம்பேர் த இமேஜஸ் ஃபார்ம்டு பை எ பிளேன் மிரர் வித் த pinhole with that pinhole camera. Image formed by a pinhole camera. The image is real. Image formed by in a plane mirror. The image is virtual. The image formed by a pinhole camera, the image may not be equal to the size of the object. The image is equal to the size of the object. The image is inverted. The image is erect. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.